Today, we're gonna make one of our favorite cakes, which is super moist chocolate cakes. Alright, to do the super moist chocolate cakes, we need 500 milligram of corn oil, the good oil, either canola oil, and then 1,700 grams of granulated white sugar, 8 pieces of an egg, and now we gotta cream it. Alright, we gonna add 750 milligram of milk. Now, for our dry ingredients, we have 875 of all-purpose flour, 200 grams of chocolate powder or cocoa powder. We have 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 5 grams of salt. Mix it. All ingredients has been sifted, the flour and also the chocolate powder. Very important. Alright, now we're gonna add our dry ingredients. And now we need to add 500 milligram of warm water. Alright, it's done. So as you can see, the texture should be like this. Alright, to bake that one, we have a baking pan. So we gotta line with baking paper. Alright, so we're gonna bake it into 170 degrees Celsius for about 1 hour. It depends on the thickness of the cake. So guys, it's done. Let's see. As you can see, guys.
Hey, chef, you're not patisserie chef. New patisserie chef. Oh.
Yeah, look at this.
New chef patisserie. Wow.
For the ganache, it's really simple. 1:1 also. So we need 2 kilogram of dark chocolate. We use really nice quality dark chocolate. That's 2 kilogram, right? Alright, 2 liter of whipping cream. Gotta boil it. Put in the cream. Alright, 50 grams of butter for nice flavor and also glossiness of our ganache. We're gonna assemble our chocolate cake. we gotta clean that top. And our ganache on top. Alright, so we're gonna put in the chiller until the ganache set, and then we gotta cut into proportion. Final touches of our super moist chocolate cakes, we have to make a chocolate decoration also. Everything is edible. So I have there my melted chocolates. There is a tempering process for doing the chocolates. It's not the matter that you just melt it and you can do it. So there is a corresponding temperature they call as tempering. So we gotta make our decoration for the borders of the cakes. You can use, guys, the teaspoon.
Ready? 1 o'clock.
So simple as like that. Now for the top decoration, we have to make a chocolate card. So I have acetate plastic. Chocolate on it. Spatula, please, Puspa. Just set a little bit, and then by using pastry coat, we're gonna scrap it. Alright, and then the rolling pin. Alright, so we're gonna put in the chiller to set. As you can see, guys. So chocolate glaze on top, so it will look very glossy our cakes. Now for cutting, we need a hot water. Alright. And look at this. On the side, it's really moist, really tempting. Wow, it's a chocolate! Or a chocolate swirl.
بس هذا قولي دي ثلاثة؟
Yeah.
لا مثلا هذول تقوم بالسيارة بس خلطوا؟
بس خلاص
ها؟
ما ندري
لا خلاص خلط
guys, now this is our lovely chocolate, super moist chocolate cakes. Alright, have a lovely chocolate days guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on my next vlog.